In today's video, I am going to teach you how to redirect to your website after Stripe confirmation. First, make sure you are already signed into your Stripe dashboard and that you are working inside the correct Stripe account. This is important if you manage more than one account because the payment link settings must be updated in the right place. Once you are in the dashboard, go to the left-hand sidebar and open Payment Links. This section shows all of the payment links connected to your account. From here, choose the existing payment link that you want to configure. If you have not created one yet, you can create a new payment link and then continue with the same process. After opening the payment link, look for the option to edit its settings. Select Edit so you can update the checkout behavior for that link. Inside the payment link settings, find the section labeled After Payment. This is where Stripe lets you choose what happens after a customer completes the checkout process. In the confirmation behavior settings, select the option that redirects customers to your website after payment. Stripe may show this as a redirect option rather than a hosted confirmation page. Once that option is selected, enter the full website address where you want customers to go after checkout. This should be the exact URL of your confirmation page, thank you page, or any landing page you want them to see next. Make sure you enter the complete address carefully, including the correct page path. A small mistake in the URL can send customers to the wrong page or prevent the redirect from working properly. Take a moment to review the link and confirm that it is accurate. When everything looks correct, click Save or Update link to apply the new redirect settings. This stores the change for that payment link and updates what customers will see after they complete their payment. Next, open the payment link and run a test checkout. Go through the checkout flow just as a customer would. Complete the payment process and wait for the confirmation step. After payment is confirmed, Stripe should automatically send you to the website URL you entered in the payment link settings. If the redirect works and opens the correct page, then the setup is complete. Your customers will now be sent to your chosen website page after successfully finishing checkout through that Stripe payment link.